Sebelum terjadi kebakaran hebat di Los Angeles tanggal 7 Januari 2025, pada tanggal 3 Januari 2025, wanita ini telah memberikan peringatan kepada warga kota Los Angeles bahwa akan ada murka Allah yang menimpa kota itu karena semua perbuatan dosa yang mereka lakukan. Simak video ini.
Los Angeles, there is a wrath coming to this city. And I prophetically speak it out loud as a warning. You think all this debauchery, all this sin is going unnoticed? You think getting drunk, smoking weed, sex before marriage, homosexuality, transgender, all of that, you think that God doesn't see it? God says it's an abomination. And the sins of the world separate us from a holy God, because the wages of sin is death. Hell forever. But Jesus came to give you life and life abundantly. Jesus came to die on a cross, a brutal death for you and me, so you could be forgiven of your sins.